Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to invite students via email and what it looks like on their end. So let's get started. First, log into your account. Once you have logged in, click the Everything button at the top and click Classroom from the left-hand side. Click the class you'd like to invite the students to. If you do not yet have a class, first make one by clicking the Create Class button at the top. If you do not yet have any students, the site will automatically bring you to the Students page. If it did not, and perhaps you landed on Lesson Planner, just click the Students tab to the right. From here, click the second option that says Invite via email. Enter your student's first and last name and their email, and then click the blue Send Invitation button. A pop-up will appear at the bottom letting you know the email invitation has been successfully sent. On your student's end, they'll log into their email accounts and look for the Ellii invitation. If they do not see it, please ask them to check their spam or junk folders. Once the email invitation is opened, they'll click the blue Join Now button from the email. This will bring them to the Ellii student site where they can click I'm new if this is their first time creating an Ellii account, or if they have an existing account, they can log into it. Once your student accepts the invitation and successfully creates an account or logs in, you'll find them under My Students on the left. That's it for this video on how to invite students via email. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.